How to fix Telegram app crashing on Android. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now if the Telegram app on your Android device is crashing, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now the first thing that you need to ensure is that your phone or your Android device has enough storage. If your storage is running out, this is likely what is causing the issue. So make sure you clear out storage first of all and try to see if the issue is now fixed. If this is not the case for you, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear out the storage and local cache. So what you simply need to do is tap and hold the app of Telegram, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage, and right here you'll be able to see the option called clear cache. You can simply tap on this option. Once you complete this step, make sure you remove the Telegram app from the recent app list and try to see if now the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is to uninstall the Telegram app from your device and then again re-download. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue will also be fixed. Apart from this, what you can also do is open up your web browser and head over to Telegram web version so that you can try sending in messages or using Telegram through the web. Meanwhile, you wait out for the app to get fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.